Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove different currencies on your Ledger Nano X. Currencies are named apps on Ledger. You can see I don't have any apps. I have just the option to install app or to go to Control Center. So to do it, you'll need to use your Ledger Live app on your mobile device or Ledger Live desktop on your computer. Go to My Ledger, select your Ledger device. Now you will need to allow secure connection. And then you'll have different apps listed here. Select the ones that you want to install. I'm gonna install Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And now shortly they will begin installing here. You'll see they are processing. Yes, they are. And also their size is listed here. And you'll see the amount of space available on your device. In my case, it's 1.5 megabits right now. So I'll have an option to just get like several fair amount of different apps here. I think like maybe 30 will fit depending on their size. And yeah, you can see I already have Bitcoin. Now Ethereum will start loading, and shortly I'll also get Solana. And now it's all done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.